How to cancel an Apple order online. First things first is pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use, and I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. Now just head directly to your search bar and look for the Apple Store, or just simply go to apple.com. Once you're here, make sure that you log into your account, and all you have to do next is just by simply going up to your bag or to your current cart. Now take note, if you fully understand on the cancellation process on Apple Store, make sure that you're canceling a product or a specific item from Apple Store if it's not yet been shipped out. If the item has already been shipped out, then you really have to wait for it to come out to your location and you'll have to double check if the item is correct. But if you would like to process a cancellation on a specific order without been item has been shipped out yet, then you can still do that. So that's it. Just simply go to your bag or to your cart and just cancel the item. Provide a specific reason why you would like to cancel it, and you're good to go. That's it. That's how you cancel an order on Apple online.